You're going to need bread, eggs, cinnamon, and butter. Start out by adding the butter to a medium hot pan. Crack your eggs. Mix the eggs really good until they're nice and fluffy. Now go ahead and dip your bread, which I recommend using some really good Italian bread. Just dip any kind of bread, I guess, inside the egg like so, and throw it on the pan. Now go ahead and put some cinnamon on that. Now go ahead and cook it until it's just starting to be cooked. Add some more cinnamon on top of that. Now you're just going to keep an eye on it and make sure you flip it one more time when that side is cooked. Now would be a good time to add more butter. Butter is good. Go ask Homer Simpson. He'll tell you. Butter is good. Add some fruit and enjoy. Boom. Then you put a little bit of syrup on there. Like, subscribe. Peace.